Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe below if you have not already, and please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. So yeah, I look a little disheveled right now, and the reason is because I have to color my hair. If you haven't noticed, in the last couple of videos, the grays just come faster and faster and faster, and I can't keep up. Like, I have a spray, but you know, I can't keep spraying all my grays all the time. So I was gonna color my hair today. I'm like, well, wait, let me see. Sometimes, I don't know if you even are into this type of video, but I do notice there are a lot of videos on YouTube that people color their hair at home, and a kind of the how-to, because some people might not know how to do it. Not that it's so difficult, because it's not, but I thought I would just show you how I do it. So I usually just, honestly, because every time I cave in and get my hair colored professionally, I feel like it looks the same as me doing it at home. Like, it really does, even when I do more of a full, like, I even do my own highlights. They're not great, but I'm telling you, if I go, I feel like when I leave a salon, I'm like, okay, I just spent like $100 and something when I could just spend $8 on a box and just do it. I mean, it probably doesn't last as long. I think that's what I noticed, but it's what, like another week or two longer if you go to a salon. So I'm just like, let's save my money, and I'm just gonna do it at home. So what I kind of switch it up. I feel like I really just use whatever. Like, I don't use the same one all the time, and it's more just because I keep forgetting which one I use. I always try to remember the girl's face on the cover. That's how I know. But I've been going a little lighter. I used to go darker. Wow, that's like a perfect match. I used to go darker with my roots because I like the contrast, but now I'm just going with same color and just keeping the highlights there. I'm just doing my roots today. So I'll just show you how I color my hair. And I gotta tell you, I would never do this in this room. I would always do it in my bathroom. And I even have a towel on my chair because I'm like petrified. But I'm gonna be really careful because I don't want to get hair color anyway, but I think it's okay. So what I have today is the Excellence Cream from Loreal, and I like that it says 100% resistant gray coverage. That's what I need. Rich, radiant color, revitalized hair, triple protection color. This is in number 6, light brown. So again, I'm just going into the roots. If you want all over, you know what, every box, these are all pretty much the same. They come with an instruction booklet, and within the instruction booklet, you have the gloves. Pre-color treatment serum, and I feel like this is mostly for the roots. I'm not probably going to use that, and I'm like collecting these because I don't know what else to do with them, but I'll look and see what else I could do. I think it's more so, honestly, just for your like ends. Let's do my roots, and it says avoid root area. Use the pre-color treatment, which conditions lengths and ends to intensely nourish and help ensure an even color result. Do not use pre-color treatment on your root or on your hair if you have never colored before. Yeah, see, I'm just doing my roots today. So then we have the developer cream. That's number 1. Step number 2, we have the permanent color cream, which you mix. I'll show you in a second. And then we have the conditioner, which is like the bomb conditioner. This stuff softens your hair. It's so good. So, okay. Now, it is helpful if you put like Vaseline around your areas so that you don't stain your face. But like, honestly, I do pretty okay with that, and it comes off. I'm like the worst. You'll be fine. So only because I'm not in the bathroom, I do have like some wet cotton pads here in case I do need to use them. Put on my gloves. And what you're gonna do, okay, so I thought this was recording, so I'm just gonna do it quickly. So you have your developer cream, etc. So you take the tip off of the developer cream. Again, I thought I was recording and I wasn't, so I'm just gonna reenact what I did. And yeah, so you take the tip off the developer cream, and then you discard that. Take the whole cap off of the developer cream, and then you're going to go to your number 2, which is your permanent color cream. There's like a red thing on there that keeps it from fully opening. So what you do is you take the cap off of this, you remove and discard the red ring, and then you put the cap back on, and when you twist it, it'll pop open this color cream bottle, so then it's open. And this is the way I do it. It's just so simple. I just put the Excellence cream, the developer cream down with the top off, and then I put the permanent color cream right on top, and I just push from the top all the way down. And that just is a clean, neat way to do it. And then you put the cap back on the developer cream, and you shake and shake and shake until it's mixed. So, yeah, I can't believe my thing wasn't recording. But anyway, and then I just like, it's neat. And then I put every piece of garbage back in the box, then I could just throw it away. And now we get to the coloring. And again, I am not a professional hairstylist, a professional colorist. I'm not. But these at-home kits make it really a lot easier. So I'm gonna start with a part where my main part is. Actually, I'm gonna tell you, and I don't know if you have it, I have a patch here that it's a very stubborn gray spot. And I know some people have gray like stripes in hair that just won't, the color just won't take. I feel like this is my guy. So the first thing I do is I put there because I want him to sit on there for a long time. And again, you could put Vaseline around. I just like, I don't have time. So then I just literally go down and I rub back and forth. And then I use this tip to part my hair. So I'm gonna start this way and then I go that way. So I just like stick it in, make a part, and then I just continue down. And I just rub back and forth. It depends on how much gray you have showing, I guess, how far down you gotta go. I just go as far as the gray is. So I'll just do this and you'll see what I mean. Back, I'm doing it like this because I put my hair up in a ponytail sometimes and I just want to cover like the sides here. Like, I don't even really need to go in the back of my hair. Having curly hair, it's easy to cover the grays a little more. I have to say, as opposed to having straight hair, it is slightly easier to kind of cover it. The back here, I'm just literally like, I'm just gonna put some in and rub it in. And I'm sure if you're like an expert hairstylist and you're watching me, you're like cringing probably of how like, oh, it's sloppy, it's not neat parts, but you know what? It's fine because I get the grays covered. Like right now, I don't have to look in the back and I'm just putting it against my root and just rubbing it in because I don't have to do the back a lot. You don't see the grays. But now that I'm done, I go back and I kind of do this because that's where like you really see it. And up here, I do that. That's where my grays show. So I just put extra. I kind of just like, I'm telling you, this isn't like the neatest job, but you don't have to. That's why maybe people are scared to do it at home because like they're like, oh, I can't do it as neat Doesn't matter, just cover those grays, that's all that matters. Get it in there. My end just got in there by accident, so I hope I didn't screw that up, but it'll be fine. And I literally, I'm just doing that. Just to get like this area here, because that's where you really see my grays. And then I'm gonna just take my fingers and kind of massage it in a little. Again, I'm just doing my roots. Okay, I think I'm good. I'll do a little more here. When I do the roots, I always have extra. I'll just take one of my cotton balls and kind of just wipe my skin. See all the coloring? That'll be on my head if I don't wipe that. And honestly, I've had it before. I have like dots on me sometimes, but it washes off eventually. It really, not even, I don't mean eventually like in days, it just comes right off. Okay. So now, it says, you have to leave it on. So the time I'm leaving this on is, it says leave it on for 20 minutes and for resistant grays another 10. So I go close to like half an hour. Okay, I'm gonna rinse my gloves out, clean up a little here. This again, because there's still some in here, I wanna be careful. Just gonna put that in there. This, no, my garbage is contained. So, okay, so I put a clip in my hair. Very sloppily, of course, as you can see, but that's fine. Just so it's out of my way. And then when the 30 minutes are up, I will jump in the shower, put my gloves on, and rinse this out of my hair. And I rinse it for a while until the water comes out clear. And once that's all out, I use this conditioner, and I'll condition my hair in the shower. And then I will style my hair, and we'll see how lovely my hair color looks. Okay, so be right back. Okay guys, so all is done. I went in the shower, I rinsed out the coloring with my gloves on, and I waited until the water was clear, and then I used their conditioner, left it on for a few minutes, did what I had to do in the shower, shave, etc. And I styled my hair. So I didn't want to show me styling my hair. I think I have enough videos of that out there. This is just about coloring, but if you are curious what product I used the Pure Flaxseed Gel from Curl Mix. This was one of my favorite. So yeah, my hair came out good. But yeah, so you could see my grays are gone. See that? This works like really well. And I will say, like, look, see, no grays. I mean, this will probably last me, I swear, as I get older, it's less and less amount of days that it lasts. It's just like, although I will say I think my hair's also growing fast. I don't know why. Like when my hair used to always grow so fast. I was always getting a haircut like every 3 months. Then when I cut it really short, I felt like it took forever to grow, of course, right? And now that it's kind of hit this point, I'm like, uh-oh, it's starting to grow again. My hair grows out this way. So I always have to get haircuts because it gets puffy, and I know I'm due, but I'm kind of trying to work it around my vacation. But anyway, yeah, so this will, even if it lasts me like a few weeks, and then it starts coming in, and instead of redoing my whole hair again like that, I do get I get the like little root touch-ups. You can color your hair, and even in between that, I just use the root spray for like when it's just coming in a little bit. That stuff works amazing. I'm telling you right now, if you don't have time to color your hair, you're like, just get a bottle of that spray. It's pretty amazing. What I use is the Loreal Root Touch-Up. It's so good. Like, it comes in all different colors, so you get whatever color matches, and it matches perfect. I'm telling you, it will cover for the day, and then it rinses out. Like, it comes right out. So it's not permanent, but it's great to get away when you don't have time to color your hair. So yeah, so I'll do like what I just did today. I'll do that more like once a month maybe, and I'll do those other little things in between. I'll do the spray when it gets a little more gray. I will do the root touch-up. and then when it's like, when the grays are here, because I can cover this up, but then I want to put my hair up sometimes. I'm like, all right, it's time to do what I just did. I rarely do a full color because I like the highlights, and then I don't like but sometimes I will when I feel like my highlights need to be redone or something. I'll do that, I don't know, maybe every 4 months. I don't even know really. Maybe like twice a year I'll do like full, and then I'll do my highlights right after that. I'll show you next time I do my highlights. The experts out there are going to be like, what are you doing? Because I do it the way I do it, and it works for me. And I think because my hair is curly, I can get away with not being so perfect. Like, I literally just take my gloves, put my hand in the bleach, the blue powder bleach that you use, and I just kind of literally go like that, and it works. I don't know, it just works for me when I do that. But that's a different story. This is all about the L'Oreal coloring at home. So if you are scared to do it at home, please don't be, because you can do this. You can do it so easy. And again, I wasn't perfect. You saw it. I'm not a professional hairstylist, professional colorist. I did it at home, and you saw I wasn't doing perfect little parts in my hair, but at the same time, it colored all the grays that I needed to get colored. See that? My grays are gone. So now I could put my hair up and not worry. I'm gonna mess my hair up. I could put my hair up and not worry about my gray showing, because usually like this is all gray when I put my hair up, and that's what I hate. So yeah. Okay, so please give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, found it helpful. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to try out. And I guess that's it. So until next time, guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching.